The transformation of the NFL into a passing league has made big-bodied receivers with outstanding hands and ball skills hot commodities in the mind of evaluators. The league rules give big receivers tremendous advantages on the perimeter, which is why most of the NFL's number one receivers are basketball-type athletes with superior physical dimensions. Cal's Keenan Allen is a receiver in the 2013 class that has the size and skills to thrive as a number one receiver early in his career. He is a polished route runner with sneaky movement skills and versatility. Allen can play outside as an X or a Z while also displaying the agility to work from a slot. When I liken Allen to a pro, I believe Anquan Boldin is the best example. Both are imposing figures on the perimeter with the size and strength to overwhelm smaller defenders in one-on-one matchups. Boldin has enjoyed an outstanding career following his selection as a second-round pick for the Arizona Cardinals in 2003. He earned NFL Offensive Rookie of the Year honors and 3 Pro Bowl bids in his 10 seasons in the league. Additionally, he has topped the 1,000-yard mark 5 times and scored 58 touchdowns. This is remarkable production for a receiver that clocked only a 4.72 time in the 40 at the NFL Combine. With Allen displaying similar skills and a big, imposing frame, it is easy to envision Allen make a big impact for a team in need of a lead receiver.